part is that we have live webinars with yours truly. So you can email me and I'll get back to you directly, or you could join in on the webinars and you could ask me live questions and we'll have a conversation. So it's really cool. This is a robust package. There's a lot of stuff here, but you have to make the first step. So please pick up the phone, support PBS, and support your own health. And health is contagious. So if you believe in your own health, guess what? You're going to sprinkle it down to your spouse and your friends and your kids and your grandkids. And what's better than that?
You know, you're hitting all the buttons. I love the fact that you've got exercise included in all of this. Because sometimes, you know, people say just eat the foods and the weight will melt off. But here you're talking exercise, which is great. And it looks like you're doing all the right things, you know, which I really love. I want to tell you something, folks. This collection is our gift when you contribute